hopeless and don't get inspired. I bet that you wildin', you white with emotion. I bet you been buying that white with devotion. You zooted, Lucifer, who in the back with me shooters? Cool with the who is he casual?
What's going on, guys? So right now we're about to do this giveaway. Alright, I have all the names that have entered. If you didn't get a chance to enter, sorry, better luck next time. I have all the names entered in my phone right now. So let me just go in here. Now we're going to pick 3 winners. Only 3. And there's not that many to begin with, so. Alright, ready? Here we go. First winner. All Motor Gang. All Motor Gang. Hit me up so I can get your address and everything. I can send you out your bottle and your decal. Congratulations, brother. Thank you for the support, my man. Alright, let's go. Let's check out this next one. Justin Squate, my man. I need your address, or you could just come pick it up. I got you with a bottle and I got you with a decal. Thank you for the support, my man. One more to go. Okay, Justin, you can't win twice, so no. Oh, Motor Gang, you can't win twice. Mike Spiegel, aka Process, you won, bro. Congratulations. Everybody DM me or get a hold of me some way. Comment down below, give me your Instagram or whatever, so we can get in contact. And we can get these out to you, and y'all can enjoy. So giveaway is done and over with. That's done. I'm out here working a little bit. I got my switch panel in the mail, so what I'm doing is I was basically just making this plate here and then cutting out where, you know, where the back end goes and fitting it in there, screwing it in. It's the same one that I had in the CRX, just it's red, and I have a push button here to start it. So a friend of mine, Mike, gave me some of this carbon fiber chameleon wrap, so I was messing around with it. I'm gonna peel it off because it didn't turn out that great. I got bubbles and everything, but he gave me a little bit of it just to mess around with, because I've never really messed with vinyl too much. So that's what I really got going on. I got some wheels. Once again, my buddy Mike hooked me up with. I sold some stuff, car parts for him, you know what I mean? So he had these laying around. He said he didn't want them. He said just take them. They're 17s. They need new tires all the way around. So they're better than the Steelies I have right now. So I'm just gonna let it rock. Got my other Del Sol seats out of the CRX back. I'm gonna put a picture of the CRX, what it looks like now, what my boy Mike's doing to it. So I'm gonna put that in real quick. Yeah, as you can see, that whole car he carbon fiber wrapped with the chameleon vinyl wrap. There's some imperfections, and I 100% take responsibility for that, because I didn't do any body work to the CRX. I painted the white. I went with white when I painted it to hide the flaws, because I didn't really feel like doing, you know what I mean? It was a drag car, so I really didn't, you know, care if it was perfect or whatever. So, but other than that, it's cool as hell, and I've never seen anybody do it. And also, we have our clutch line came in. That's going to be another video. I'm not going to be doing that right now. I picked up these seats a week ago. They're decent, but they're cheap. You know what I mean? These pieces are kind of just flopping around. You know what I mean? But I mean, they'll do for right now. I just really want to focus on. I've been getting a lot of wrong parts ordered. I ordered a distributor jumper from OBD1 to OBD2, and this is what they sent me. Female on both ends, and obviously female on both ends of that, so I can't plug this in, so that's pretty much useless. I also ordered a bottom rad hose, which, once again, the company sent me the wrong one, and I put in for return, and they said they can't do exchanges or whatever, so I can't just get the right one. They can't just send me the right one. I have to send it back and wait until they refund me, and then see if I can get the right one or whatever. So that's like a pain in the ass, but we're making progress. I have the distributor cap and rotor on the way. That should be here tomorrow, maybe. I don't know, but I gotta do the clutch line, distributor cap and rotor, radiator. I'm gonna make my own mount here because I'm not gonna spend $30 on one. It just doesn't make any sense. Also, I did a LED strip. My dad works for A&E. Refrigerators, like, they break or whatever, he takes the LEDs out of them. And he gave me these, which was actually out of our fridge that broke. So, and I put them in the license plate lights. I don't know where the other one is. I think I put it over here, but that's just another little thing I'm doing, just for, keep myself busy. This whole COVID-19 or whatever is really kind of throwing my vibe off and kind of like annoying. So it is what it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this switch panel back out. I'm gonna take this plate back out. I'm gonna paint it real quick, let it dry, throw it all back together. I'm gonna peel this vinyl off, throw it all back together, and I'm gonna throw it back in the car and give you a look at how it looks. All right, be right back. What's going on, guys? So we got it done. I still gotta peel the wrap off. I might redo it. I might not. I don't know yet. I kind of like the way it looks, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I feel like doing. Later on down the line. But I'll show you what it looks like. It's a little dirty and dusty yet, but that's where it's going to be at. As for, I want to get the bezel right here for the boost gauge and the wideband that'll go right there in the corner. I still got to put the 4-ways back in and the other switches and shit back in. I might leave this in here, and I might just take a pin and put little holes in these spots and just push them out, because I mean, in the car it doesn't look that bad, I guess. I mean, it's good enough for now. I keep touching the paint's still a little wet, and I touched it right in there, which I could touch that up no problem, so I'm not too worried about it. But that's what it's gonna look like all said and done. The car doesn't have a battery in it, so nothing's wired up. This will be ignition power, obviously. I'm gonna use this as a cutoff. Basically, I don't know. I'll find a wire, coming off the distributor or something like that. That'll cut the ignition. So, you know what I mean. Blah blah blah. I'm still gonna utilize the key, so it's gonna be a process. You got to put the key in, turn it on, flip the switch here, start it. Then this will be fuel pump, fan, ignition power, and then start. So it's kind of what I got planned, and then I got 2 more switches for pretty much whatever might come around. So that's what we got going on, guys. I just kind of did this out of nowhere. I got the switch panel and I kind of wanted to do something. I was kind of bored, so congratulations to the winners. Make sure you guys hit me up. I'm going to reach out to the 2 that I know personally. I'm going to reach out to you guys and let you guys know what's up. And as for the other guy, I have to look back at the footage. I forget who it was. But when I'm editing the video, I'm going to look back at who was the 3rd winner. And I'm going to reach out to you. Unless you see the video, then you can reach out to me. Either way, that's it for today, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And remember, Carol Baskin killed her husband. Peace.